Hello there, it's Mike Ram, and today I'm going to talk to you about keeping one's nose to the grindstone. Don't ever let anybody tell you that this is a simple profession. It's not. Far from it. It'll chew you up, take all the goodness out, and spit you out again, and then ask you to pay for the pleasure. Yep. Finally, this is the honesty video. Telling the truth, telling it as it is. No, it's absolutely helpless. And I can't say that I've been successful, but I may point a light, a beacon for some poor struggling would-be entrepreneur when they're wondering why they don't make it and everybody else seems to make it and everybody's telling them how simple it is. I suspect it is simple, but it's not easy. The simplicity is that once you know it, you know that actually it was a simple connection you had to make. But it's not easy because you can spend forever discovering it. And look, I'd say this is about the hardest thing I've ever done. And I've been to places, I've been through top university in England, done one of the hardest courses. Simple, mate, compared to this. This is slog. They don't give you the right information. There's a lot of people out there trying to take your money off you. And okay, a lot of them do have good tips they can give you, but they're not going to give it to you for free. And they all regard it as a competitive jungle, and they're not going to sort of help you up unless you're paying them. So I think the honest answer is, yeah, it is tough. So why do I keep going? I don't know. Somewhere in my demented, deluded frame of reference, I have this insane notion that I will make it. Now, that may just be a completely ridiculous illusion that I hold. Or it may just be the way that it is. At some point, the tipping point will come and the dominoes will all fall over, and there I am, jackpot. I suspect it will take a lot more hard work, Carrie. Looking forward into the future, I think that what I'm doing at the moment amounts to slave labour and worse, because I'm actually paying for the privilege. And there are people in my ear saying, well, if I can do it, anybody can do it. And some of these people, they're very, very special cases in a way. I mean, people from deprived backgrounds or people who haven't had any education. And so they can say, well, if I can make it, anybody can make it. But I'm a Cambridge graduate, so I hesitate to agree with them because I know that none of them could ever do what I did when I was a lot younger. And I'm not sure I can do what they do because maybe that's the mindset. Anyway, I know it's not about having brains or having a particular load of experiences. I think it's sort of fairly novel and it has its own rules. And people either want to buy the stuff that you're presenting or they want to buy the same stuff but from somewhere else. Or they don't want to buy at all but they want to have a look. And to be honest, I get fed up with people telling me how easy it is. It may be simple, because there are people there who actually know how to put across the notion of simplicity. But easy, no. It's a slogathon. If you're prepared to work very, very hard at times, then you'll probably get there. But working simply hard isn't going to get you there because it has to be the right sort of work. Now, I've sort of basically simplified the process I follow down to a certain art where I'm just doing work in 3 areas, which is trying to find traffic to take to my lead page, capture some of that traffic on my opt-in form in return for a download, a free product, which is also called a lead magnet, and then do a follow-up sequence. Now, it strikes me that the second 2 of these is far easier than the first. That's just the way it is for me. It's getting the traffic originally to see my stuff, or to go to the ads I put up, and to go to my opt-in page. The rest I can handle. Now, of course, the last part of the equation is the sales funnel, but as this is affiliate marketing, I don't really have to control that, because that's controlled by the product creators, who in large part here are internet profits. I mean, I can tell you, I got into this affiliate stuff because the guy was saying no, it's easy because I've done all the product design and stuff, and the rest is you have to get traffic. No, it's not easy. I think it's damn hard, but you know, I mean, other people may find it easy. They may be blessed with these very extrovert tendencies, which puts them out there. I don't know. I'm not particularly the world's leading extrovert. I quite like chatting with people, but I wouldn't say that I'm rarely somebody who just goes out there and gets people. However, you know, one has to leave one's comfort zone at times. Well, that's what I'm led to believe, so who knows what will come next. But anyway, if you're looking at this video, and if I get in any way useful, then give me a like or leave a comment. You can even give me a dislike. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm obviously in need of subscribers. And if you fancy a free product, hit the link below, because that would be very much appreciated. And you may learn something to your benefit about getting targeted traffic. Anyway, this is Mike Graham, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.